Hello, Dwayne Lessener hailing from Canadiana. Just finished my bottle of maple syrup, and I want to show you how efficient the cloning and replication process is on Xi Leap. So we have a SQL server with my initials. We're just checking out how much capacity that it has. So we have 436 gigs is the virtual machine. It's already been replicated once, so we have a base snapshot sitting in Xi. So what we want to do now is clone 10 virtual machines from that image and then see how fast it takes to get it replicated into Xi. So our SQL server, we will hit clone. This is running AHV on-prem, so a fairly easy way to manage your environment. From a hypervisor perspective, pretty simple, just as if you were working in a public cloud, so giving you that same user experience. So here, 10 copies. We'll just add a prefix so we're not searching for using the same ones. So 32 gigs of RAM, 6 virtual CPUs, a ton of disks. One thing you'll notice there that we didn't have any storage controllers, and so we spread out all of the load of all of those disks across for you. So we will now we'll have to protect the workload. We already have a protection policy in place using categories, but we can add VMs individually or manually using the protect function. So I will just highlight the virtual machines that we want to protect. So the 10 new ones. Select all, just remove the other ones that aren't a part of it. And now we will protect these virtual machines. The DL one is already part of a group, so you can overlap system categories for protection. We'll select the break glass in case of emergency. You can see that we have the unprotected VMs. It notices that one is already protected. Hit protect. And so now those are going to start replicating right away. Since the base changes are off the other snapshot, it's pretty efficient. We won't have to wait very long for that process to wrap up. So if you're working off of clones, we are not going to send the data. We're using hardware-based snapshots. So start the timer. It's an important point on the hardware side because, if you have hundreds of snapshots with virtual machines, having to collapse them can be a pain if you're using hypervisor-based snapshots. So that goes away. So we're sitting on the Xi side. We've already logged in, and we already have all of our virtual machines sitting there. So it took longer to log in than anything else. So that took about a minute. So it's really that easy from an efficiency standpoint. So go check out a trial of Xi Leap today. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you.